Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to search for apps on the Telegram app on your PC with the newest update. This simple guide will help you find exactly what you're looking for faster and more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app to access all the newest features. Whether you are on Windows, Mac, or Linux, just launch Telegram as you normally would. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the search bar. This search bar is your gateway to all kinds of content within Telegram, from chats and media to apps and bots. After clicking the search bar, a drop-down menu will appear with options like chats, media, links, and now, a new option called apps. Select the apps category to narrow your search specifically to apps, bots, and services that are integrated with Telegram. Now that you've chosen apps, type in what you want to search for. For example, if you're looking for a productivity bot, just enter keywords like Task Manager or Reminder. Telegram will instantly show you relevant apps related to your search, making it easy to find the tools or bots you want to use. Once you see the app you're interested in, click on it to open and explore its features directly within Telegram. This updated search function helps you avoid endless scrolling through chats. Instead, you can quickly pin down the exact app or bot you need. This feature is a game changer for anyone who loves using Telegram's ecosystem of apps. Whether it's a language translator, weather bot, or project management tool, finding what you need has never been this easy. So remember, open Telegram, click the search bar, choose apps, then type your search. Try this out today to make your Telegram experience smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching.